Hi guys, it's May 18th already. The year is flying by. We only have 3 more weeks of school. It's crazy. So hopefully this week you guys will be having fun with building your own business. As you know already, you are continuing to work on creating a plan for your final product, whatever that may be that your team is going to be selling. I know some of you have already checked in with me with some questions, so hopefully that is going well. You're going to continue that through this week, and if you take a look, let me pull it up here. You're working on this round 3, the plan. So all you need to do is make sure, I highly recommend by Wednesday that you submit this, because that will give you time to work on round 4 for the rest of the week. So if you take a look here, your profits and losses, you will be getting your profits and losses for round 2 back early this week. And then once you guys submit this, and I have all 3 teams' submissions for this, I'll send your profits and losses back to you for that as well. So once you move on to round 4, it will look like this. You are actually going to construct your top secret product, and here's the catch. All 3 of you need to submit a picture of your product. So not just one person is responsible for doing your product and creating it, but each one of you is required to make one, which is why I said in the beginning, you need to make sure all of your team members have the same materials available to them. So before the end of the week, by Friday, you need to make your own prototype and send me all 3 pictures. You can either have one person send all 3 pictures, or each one of you can send them individually. Your team gets to decide that. Make sure you're communicating with your team through that process, and then you will receive your profits and losses for that this week. So I'm super excited to see what you guys come up with. This is going along pretty well. I've checked in with some of you. It sounds like you're able to reach out to your teams. You're having good luck with that. If you are not, and you're struggling, or your team is struggling, please let me know. We can work through this. One team, or if one member of a team is doing all the work, you need to let me know that, so that I can make sure that one member of the team is getting the credit for the work and not everyone on your team. So make sure you keep in touch with me if there are any team issues as well. So guys, with that is pretty much all you have this week. You're going to finish up round 3, work on round 4, and all of that will be completed by the end of the week. So guys, I hope you have a really good week this week. I miss you guys. Take care, and I will talk to you soon. See you, bye.